Speed this up, Lauren. Flip that breaker back on. These are tamper resistant. There we go. Now I'm gonna get this all prepared just because I don't want sawdust. That doesn't matter why. Now I'm gonna drill all the holes. This obviously is something that you probably don't have to do. And now I gotta make that fucking bigger. You can use that or don't, I don't care. So I'm gonna put my...
Okay. Oh, actually, that's cool.
Yeah. Oh boy. Well, hopefully this isn't damaged. Oh my God. Ah boy. I don't know where it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No? Oh, range. Well, it's got to be a 20. Kitchen countertop? You got to yell at me when it's... I can't hear you. Kitchen counter, 20. Has it gone off yet? No.
Everything around we had.
How about this? No?
No.
Kitchen counter. It should be on a separate thing, but kitchen counter. Hope it's not on the washer, because is the dishwasher going? Yeah, pause the video for a minute.